Hello, good evening. Welcome to my strategy session. This is your usual host, Richard Kumado, a consultant and a pastor. This evening, I had the opportunity of speaking to you about leadership and performances. In some other jurisdictions and in some circles and institutions, leaders are made to sign two contracts, a performance contract and a service contract, so they could be benchmarked accordingly. Are you a leader? Are you applying for a leadership position? Are you a high performing leader? The world is looking for high performance, and high performing leaders have certain specific characteristics. Let's deal with some of them. One, they are more particular, and they are more particular about everything. The very little things matters to them, unlike average performing leaders. They are particular about their outlook, they are particular about their food, they are even particular about the beds they sleep on and the time they go to bed. High performing leaders have the skills to negotiate. They perform better, so they negotiate higher. Their wage rates are very high because what they bring on board is very high. Their skills level are very wide. They have wide range of skills at their disposal. High performing leaders have one characteristic of taking instructions seriously, and they are more particular about the instructions, the kind of instructions and the very details of it. High performing leaders believe in setting up systems that are not cumbersome. They believe in simple things and straightforward to the point. Are you a high performing leader? Do you inspire to be one? Learn the trade, learn the skills, improve your skills. Don't be an average leader. Average leaders do not perform. High performing leaders have the ability of turning their situations around. When the going gets tough, high performing leaders turn it around. High performing leaders work so hard behind the scene. They enjoy their quiet times, particularly they perform. They practice a lot and they rehearse a lot privately and quietly. They put in so much that makes them very skillful and that makes them perform on the day and the way you see it. I know many people admire high performing leaders, but they work so hard. Do you have the ability? There's a difference between workaholics and those who like work and those who are addicted to their work. But there's also those we call high performing leaders. They work so hard behind the scenes and they perform so easy on the day. Aspire to be one. Don't be an average leader. You will not make a mark in this life. Average leaders are not valuable people. We call upon them when the need arises. But top management leadership positions will go for high performing leaders. Be one of them. Play in the best teams. Work with the best people. Are you somebody that you have people working under you? You need to train them to be high performing leaders. The world is tired of lassity and the world is tired of mediocrity. Work hard, train hard, improve the systems. Productivity will come naturally. High performing leaders have a way of taking out bottlenecks and they think ahead and they plan ahead. They prepare ahead. They rehearse ahead. Be one. Be a high performing leader. I wish you well on this journey. Until I come your way again, this is your host, Richard Kumado. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and get in touch on 024-8533-466 and let's get a job done. Thank you and God bless you.